Click on the link below to get price. The Westinghouse 6600 Peak Watt Home Backup Portable Generator is an impressive piece of equipment designed for reliability, convenience, and versatility. This generator stands out in the crowded market of home backup systems, particularly for those who prioritize efficiency and ease of use. One of the most notable features is its powerful 6,600 peak watts and 5,500 running watts, making it capable of handling essential appliances during power outages, including refrigerators, heating systems, and even larger devices. This high output ensures that users can maintain comfort and safety in their homes, regardless of external conditions. The generator is transfer switch ready with a 30A outlet, allowing for seamless integration with home wiring systems. This feature simplifies the transition from grid power to generator power, ensuring that homeowners can easily switch to backup power when needed. The inclusion of multiple outlets, including USB ports and standard 120V duplex outlets, further enhances its versatility, enabling users to power a variety of devices simultaneously. Portability is another key aspect of the Westinghouse generator. Despite its robust power capabilities, the unit is designed with a lightweight, compact frame and comes with sturdy wheels and a foldable handle. This design allows for easy transportation, making it suitable for outdoor activities such as camping or tailgating, in addition to home backup use. Noise levels are relatively low, operating at around 58 dBA, which is quieter than many competitors in the same power range. This quieter operation adds to its appeal, ensuring it won't disrupt your daily activities or disturb your neighbors during use. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Westinghouse generator delivers commendable performance with a runtime of up to 13.5 hours on a 6.6-gallon tank when operating at 25% load. Its easy-to-read fuel gauge and user-friendly controls make it accessible for both novice and experienced users. Overall, the Westinghouse 6600 Peak Watt Home Backup Portable Generator is a solid investment for those seeking a reliable and efficient power solution. Its combination of power, portability, and ease